back with another video. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't joined the Vixen gang already, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Today I am going to be doing a painting and I'm showing you guys the colors right now. I use some Martha Stewart paints that I got from Michael's, some other craft paints that I've gotten from Walmart. This was all just stuff I've had in the house that I wanted to use because this quarantine ain't no joke. So I have the paint dividers that I got from the Dollar Tree, different paint brushes, and I put a cup of water over to the side. I have some Elmer's spray adhesive and different types of glitter in different colors because I am a glitter girl. So I don't know exactly which one I'm going to use yet, but we're going to use as much as we possibly can to empty out this closet. So first, I'm just freestyling this. I went in with some pink, the darker pink, and then I'm going to go in with the darker metallic pink on the next layer, and then some white, and then some gold, then white, and then a light pink metallic. So I'm just going in and freestyle brushing this however you want to. I got the canvas from Michael's. They had them buy one, get one 50% off. And then when I went back, the sale was even bigger than that. Now Michael has a drive-in pickup option. You basically can either order the product online and go and pull in front of the store and somebody brings it out and puts it in the trunk for you. Or you can go and call in and they bring out a paper for you to fill out a list of the items that you want, and they go in and shop for you and bring it out. So don't worry if you are at home bored, you need something to do. This is what I decided to do. So I'm gonna just let this play out, and I hope you guys like it at the end. Okay, you guys, this is the final product. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and hit that like button for me. This is the final product. It's way more glittery in person. I'm just so mad the video didn't show is like as vibrant as it is. But thank you for watching. See you next time.